In the past 24-hour period, the Taal volcano network recorded 63 volcanic earthquakes, including 60 volcanic tremor events, having durations of 1 to 30 minutes, 3 low-frequency volcanic earthquakes, and low-level background tremor that has persisted since July 7. Activity at the main crater was dominated by upwelling of hot volcanic fluids in its lake, which generated plumes of 2,500 meters tall that drifted northeast and southwest. Sulfur dioxide emission averaged 7,546 tons a day on August 16. Fog was also observed over Taal volcano and its vicinity. Based on ground deformation parameters from electronic tilt, continuous GPS, and INSAR monitoring, Taal volcano island has begun deflating in April 2021, while the Taal region continues to undergo very slow extension since 2020. Taal volcano remains under alert level 2 or increased unrest. DOST-PVOX reminds the public that at this level, sudden steam or gas-driven explosions, volcanic earthquakes, minor ashfall, and lethal accumulations or expulsions of volcanic gas can occur and threaten areas within and around the Taal volcano island.